Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. To get the government as well as the private sector job notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And whatever the videos you are getting from my channel, so please share, like and comment the videos guys. And in this video, we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies notification from one of the state university. So here the with or without UGC NET or PhD, here the vacancies are there and the salary is 50,000 rupees per month and you may apply from any state even though if it is a state university. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your subjects in the comment section of this video. If I got the matching recruitment notification, then definitely I will come up in the next video. So to get all my videos as an immediate notification, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this assistant professor recruitment notification. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Present content of the video. So it is a Chhatrapati Shahuji Maharaj University, Kanpur, and it is also called as a Kanpur University. And here the recruitment notifications for the faculty positions in the department in contractual or else the guest mode under the self-finance scheme. And this notification released on 20th November 2021. And here the professor, associate professor, assistant professor and the guest faculty recruitment notifications are there. So coming to the professor and associate professor, journalism and mass communication, pharmaceutical sciences, fine arts and painting. And in the case of assistant professor, School of Studies, journalism and mass communication, business administration BCom course and the B.Ed course is available. And coming to the guest faculty here, the School of English and Modern European and other foreign languages, French. And coming to the School of Engineering and Technology, Fashion Technology is there. And the number of vacancies also may check down. Here the Library and Information Science vacancy is also there. Okay, so, and apart from this one, here one more addendum is there, that is regarding the fine arts and painting assistant professor vacancies. Total 3 are there here. So these are the different departments as well as a number of vacancies they mentioned here guys. And coming to the general instructions are provided. The university reserves the right to, so these are common points, and the grade and pay for the appointment under the contractual mode for the self-finance scheme courses shall be assistant professor, it is 30 to 50,000 rupees per month, and associate professor 50 to 70,000 rupees per month, and the professor 70,000 to 1 lakh rupees per month will get. And these are all the consolidated amounts guys. So there will be no HRS and all these things will not be added. Why? Because it is a contractual basis positions. So the faculty empaneled and engaged as a guest faculty for the self-finance scheme courses, they are going to pay 500 rupees per period, subject to maximum payment of 25,000 rupees per month. Coming to the essential qualifications and all for the engineering departments as per the AICTE 2019 regulations, and for the remaining things as per the UGC 2018 regulations. So as per the AICTE 2019 regulations, for the assistant professor only post graduation is enough. And as per the UGC regulations 2018 for the assistant professor, post graduation 55% and UGC NET or SLET or SET or CSI NET qualification must be there. Okay, and there might be some relaxation in the percentage guys, so that you may check down. And yeah, so these are all the few more points. The online application process shall start on 21st November onwards, and the last date for the filling up of online application form is 5th December 2021. So it is the last date. And application fee is looking little bit high guys, so I mean it is my personal feel, 2,000 rupees and 1,500 rupees for the SC/ST candidates, which will be paid online along the online application form, and application fee is not refundable. So they are clearly mentioned. SC/ST, OBC, non-creamy layer candidates must definitely enclose the hard copy of the caste income certificate on the prescribed format. Okay, so these are all the details provided and the important dates guys. And TADA will not be provided for attending the interview. That means here the selection is purely based upon the interview only. You guys will not be having any type of written test here. That means the written test is there only for the assistant professor category. So for the guest faculty or else the professor and associate professor, for these guys the written test is not there. So they are conducting the written test only for the assistant professor designation guys. And the important dates you may check down. So opening of online application 21st November, closing 5th December, written test for assistant professor 13 to 15 December, interview schedule is the 13 to 15 December, guys, okay. And so a few other instructions are also given here. So how to apply and all these points. So how to apply means it is a official website link to apply, guys, okay, that you may check down here. So here the starting date and the closing date, okay, 20th November and the 5th December mentioned here. So all the interest, I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So if you guys are interested, then you may start applying through this link, guys, okay. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. It might be helpful to them. And please subscribe the channel to get the more videos or else the notifications like this. After subscribing, tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may continue this video, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Yeah, hi guys, welcome to my channel. So myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So myself, I cleared the UGC NET as well as the GATE for the 2 times in electronics and communication subject. And in this video, I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 med cycle, fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get. And even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also. And you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose or else to write the short notes purpose or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the 2 platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses or else what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore what are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare and English and education and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I am the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the, providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects you will get the 10% discount for the referral code, that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay, and while coming to the electronic science and the paper one, okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the